so much for watching. I am Ijapari, Gang, the mom on point, and today we are going to learn how to attract buyers online. As an online business coach, one of the questions I've been asked frequently is how can I attract buyers online? How can I locate my target audience? How can I attract my target market, and so on and so forth. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, watch this video till the end. And for the record, this video is not just for information marketing or service. It's for everything selling online, be it you are selling physical products, you are selling ebook, you are selling online courses, or whatsoever you are doing. In as much as online business is concerned, this video is for you. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to like this video if you are finding it helpful. Ask your question in the comments section of this video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you will not miss out on our next video. So if you really want to attract your target audience or your target market online, the first thing you need to do is to know who your target market are. Who are your ideal clients? Who are your ideal markets? Where are they located? It is very important to know who your ideal market is, because that is when you will be able to identify and know where they are located. The reason is because some people spend a lot of energy on Facebook, meanwhile maybe their ideal clients or their target market are on Instagram or even on YouTube. So it's very important to know who your ideal audience are. The internet is a broad place, it's so wide, and it's always better if you can narrow your niche or be specific on what you are selling or you are talking about. Let's say, for instance, now I want to buy a sandal and I'm going to market. And if I'm going to market, I would definitely prefer to go where they sell different kind of sandals than me going to where they sell shoes. Going through the stress of looking through all the things and so many other things attracting my attention, meanwhile I know what I really want, it's always better for me to just go straight to who is selling sandals. So you need to narrow your niche. You need to be specific. And if you are watching this video and you don't know what is niche, or you don't know what is topic, or you don't know how to carve a niche for yourself online, in the description of this video I'm going to drop a video link on how to carve your niche on online business. So it is very important for you to know who your target audience are and know where they are located, so that you will not be wasting your energy on a particular platform meanwhile they are located in another platform. The next thing you need to do to attract buyers online is you need to know what is their biggest question. What are your clients or your target market, what are their biggest question? What do they used to ask? The question that is going in their mind before they make the buying decision. What is that question? So how I do mine is, one thing I used to do on Facebook or on Instagram, I used to have a Q&A thread. I would just ask, what is stopping you from starting your online business? What is that thing that is stopping you from starting your own business? So that question, you see people start dropping their question, and I'll come down and start answering it. By so doing, I'll be able to know what is going on in the mind of my client. So if you are selling, let me say if you are selling like wine, if you are advertising wine, the question you should be asking is what is going on in their mind. What is the question that is bothering them? Maybe how to preserve wine, or how to make it taste better, or something. So it's always it will always easier for you by asking them the question that is going in the back of their mind. And how you can also ask yourself that question is putting yourself in the shoes of your client. If you are to buy that top, if you are to buy that book, what is the question you'll be asking? What is that thing that is bothering you? What is the thing that is going in your mind before you make the buying decision? It's very, very important. So after knowing that, the next thing you need to do is to answer those questions for free. Yes, you need to know, you know this question, you start answering them for free. I said by free because by so doing, you will be able to build your KLT factor. KLT, that's know, like, and trust. In the online business space, there's something we call KLT factor. Means before people start buying from you, they need to know you, they need to like you, they need to trust you. Because people no more buy products or services, they buy feelings. That's the truth. If you watch closely right now, a lot of things that are happening on social media, the people that are owning it is people that share stories and make it feel make people to feel them. So people now buy feeling, they don't buy products or services anymore. So how do you build your KLT factors? The first thing is by putting yourself out there for people to know you. Just like you asking your question, you know your target audience, you start asking questions, they will start knowing you, and they will like you because you are started giving them free tips about what is really bothering them, and they will begin to trust you because when they test what you are teaching them or what you are talking about, they enjoy your services. By so doing, they will begin to trust you, because the online business space is not like the brick and mortar shop that you just walk in without even checking what clothes the person is wearing or how the person look. All you need to do is just, I want to buy pen, and they'll hand you your pen and you pay the cash. But with the online business space now, people don't buy product or services. Right now people buy feeling, and you need to project yourself properly. So after you have known your target audience, your target market, you have known where they are located, you know their question, the question they ask, you have started answering them, and you're building your like, know, and trust on the online business space. The next thing you need to do is to direct them on the next step to take. Let's say maybe you have a book about it, or you have your product that you want to sell. After knowing that, you can tell them that you can buy this product, or you can buy this t-shirt, or you can buy this wine, or you can buy this, or you can buy that, or you can still lead them to another free section. Maybe, okay, I have a free template that explains this, or I have a free book that explains this, or I have a book that you can buy at so price to do this. But now the person have already known that yes, this person really know her onions. Just like as I'm talking to you right now, if you want to know more about online business, I have a book that talks about how to start, how to grow, how to profit from online business. I'm dropping the link in the description of this video, the link to buying it on Amazon, or my WhatsApp link where you can chat on me directly to know how you can purchase a copy for yourself. And again, I have a webinar, because anybody that is watching this, that means you want to really attract buyers to for your online business. So I have a complete webinar. In order to make this video short, I have a complete webinar on psychology of media visibility. To be honest with you, people don't buy product, but they buy feelings, and that feeling is centered on how you project yourself. So in that webinar, I talked about how to position yourself to attract more clients, perception and projection on social media, how people perceive you, how you can project yourself, and how you can put your main message, your core message, what your core message should be, and how you can craft it out in order to get more clients and make your business flow. So please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me the likes, don't forget to drop your comments. I love reading comments, and if you have any question about online business or about entrepreneurship, you can just go ahead and ask in the comment section of this video. If you have not subscribed to this video, to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also after subscribing, click on that bell so that you get notification and you will not miss out on our next video. Until I come your way next time, do have a wonderful day and more buyers for your products. Bye.